Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to iron on a patch to a hat, full guide. Preheat your iron to medium-high cotton setting and turn off steam. Flatten the hat crown on a firm surface. Place the patch where you want it, cover with a pressing cloth, and press evenly for the recommended time. Move slowly and check edges, then allow full cooling before testing adhesion. Next, I will explain how to iron on a patch to a hat, full guide. Mark the exact spot with a faint pencil or tape, insert a firm support inside the crown, and smooth the fabric so there are no wrinkles. If the patch has a curved edge, trim sparingly, then test a quick press on a scrap to confirm temperature. Confirm alignment before final pressing to avoid repositioning. In this video, I will explain how to iron on a patch to a hat, full guide. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion for playlists and timers while you work on projects. If you are finding this helpful, please like and subscribe and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain how to iron on a patch to a hat, full guide. With the pressing cloth in place, press firmly and hold for the recommended 20 to 30 seconds, using even pressure and avoiding sliding motions. Lift iron, check edges, and repeat short presses if necessary, focusing on stubborn corners. Allow the hat to cool fully for several minutes before checking adhesion or wearing to ensure the patch sets properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.